What's up, money growers? So it is Jacob back here with another video, hoping you're having a great day today and hoping that your money is growing today. Now, I'm talking to you guys today about a credit union that is one that could be very beneficial to a lot of you, particularly when it comes to their credit cards. Now, they only have 2 credit cards, but we're going to be talking about them today, and that is Alliant Credit Union and their credit cards and what they have to offer. So go ahead, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet, because next time I see you, you are going to have more money, okay? So let's hop into this and talk about Alliant Credit Union, where they are, who they are, all that kind of fun stuff. Now, they are based out of Illinois, but anyone can actually join. We're going to talk about that in a little bit. So they are the largest credit union in the state of Illinois. So a lot of you in the Midwest are probably already familiar with them just being in that general area. But they do have some good products. And even if you're someone like me who lives out in Las Vegas, Nevada, you may want to take a look into these. Now, they do have 600,000 members nationwide. They're a digital credit union offering online banking, mobile banking app, retirement investment services, and personal finance education. So they got more ATMs than Chase and Bank of America combined. Holy crap. So they do have ATM rebates they'll give you, right? So when you access their surcharge-free ATMs anywhere you go. So oftentimes that's stuff like they have partnerships with like ATMs inside a Target or 7-Eleven or things like that. That's where you can find them. Sometimes hotels, those kinds of things. So they don't actually have, credit unions don't have as many standalone locations as banks. They do have setups like that within a network where you can go to all these ATMs for free. Now, they have been rated one of the best credit unions before by Go Banking Rates, by My Bank Tracker, by NerdWallet. So they got some good organizations or large publications that are giving them some positive reviews. So let's jump in here. So this is really one of the 2 cards they have, the Visa Platinum Credit Card, okay, from Alliant. Now, the fees, they have no annual fee on this card. Okay, they have 0% introductory rate for 12 months on purchases and balance transfers. After the introductory period, you're looking at about a 10.24% interest rate up to about 22.24%. So still better than you're going to get at oftentimes other banks or credit unions. So the 0% introductory rate on purchases is something that lots of people like. Okay, they love that 0% for 12 months. And the balance transfer fee is just 2% of the balance transfer amount. It's a $5 minimum with this card. Now, with the Visa Platinum card continued, some of the other parts that people are going to want to know when it comes to this card and what it offers, they do have low standard APR. They do have debt protection benefit plan in the event of death, disability, or involuntary unemployment. And they do have automatic payments, okay, that you can set up. Now, also with this card, some of the benefits, you have no fraud liability, okay, $0 fraud liability guarantee. You do have the EMV chip security, right? That's pretty standard nowadays with lots of new cards. It does work with Google Pay, Apple Pay, and Samsung Pay. You have auto rental collision. You get a waiver for that. You have 24/7 roadside dispatch. ID Navigator to help prevent theft. So if you ever had ID theft issues in the past, this could be a good credit union for you. Now, Alliant Cashback Visa's signature credit card. Now, this is the one that people love to hear about, okay? Now, because there's no annual fee, no foreign transaction fee, monthly service fee, over the limit fee, 0% introductory rate for 12 months on purchases and balance transfers. The introductory period, after that, you're looking at the same as before, 10.24 to 22.24%. The credit card late fee is up to $27 on this. And then return payment up to $27. Cash advance is $10 or 3% of cash advance amount, whichever is greater. The balance transfer fee is 3% of the amount of each transfer, 12.24% APR. Now, continuing with the Visa Signature credit card. Now, here's the big part that people like, okay? They have unlimited cash back with no categories to track on this card. This is arguably like the best cash back card that exists because look at this. 2.5% cash back on your first $10,000 of qualifying eligible purchases. And then after that, it goes to 1.5% for anything over $10,000. So, a 1.5% cash back credit card is something you see a lot, right? 1%, 1.5%, sometimes like 2% with like Citibank, right? Their 2% card that lots of people like because, they get 1%. It's 1 and 1 is the way they do it. So the way it works, so a lot of people like that because they just get 2% on everything and they just like the simplicity of it, even though there are times when you get a card that's like, say, 1.5% or 1.75% cash back that comes with a sign-up bonus is actually better. In terms of math, it actually works out better than just like a flat 2% card. But some people just love the simplicity of the 2% card. But this, you're getting 2.5% on your first $10,000. Then after that, you're getting 1.5%. So I mean, 2.5% is going to be tough to find. Then you get that on your first 10 grand. And after that, it goes to 1.5%, like a lot of other cards. That's why a lot of people love this card, this Cashback Visa Signature Credit Card from Alliant, because of it. Now, there's a 0.25% APY, which is 8.3 times the national average. Then ATM fee rebates up to $20 a month. So you're looking at $240 a year in ATM fee rebates when it comes to this card. Now, continuing, they do have tier 1 rewards with this card. It says you maintain an average daily balance of $1,000 or more in your Alliant high-rate checking account for each month of the preceding calendar quarter. Now, 2.5% cash back on the first $10,000 of qualifying eligible purchases per billing cycle. You have unlimited 1.5% cash back on all other qualifying eligible purchases. No annual fee on a card like this. And then as we continue, now let's have tier 2 rewards. So if you don't qualify for tier 1 rewards during a calendar quarter, you automatically earn tier 2 rewards in the following quarter. So they do have 2 levels to this, is the way that they have it structured for everyone who holds this card. Now, that's where you get unlimited 1.5% cash back on all qualifying eligible purchases and still no annual fee. If you guys are worried about like the eligible purchase part, they always spell it out in the fine print. But basically, it's stuff like, you can't go and buy items and return them and things like that. People like really try to do credit card churning really hard, like buying a crap ton of gift cards and that kind of thing. That's what they're talking about, stuff like that. They don't like when people do those kinds of things. And then as we continue with the Cashback Visa Signature Credit Card, some of the benefits they do offer: extended warranty protection. So this is when you use your covered Visa Signature card for your eligible purchases. Extended warranty protection will double the term of your eligible U.S. manufacturer's warranty up to an additional year on eligible warranties of 3 years or less. For warranties of less than a year, their term is doubled. For warranties of 1 or more, an additional year of coverage is provided. So you get some extra warranty protection. Like earlier said, it works with Google, Apple, and Samsung Pay. You do have identity theft protection, travel accident insurance, auto rental collision damage waiver, roadside dispatch, all that good stuff for so when you're traveling, if you wind up getting in a tough situation. And then who can join? All right, let's cover this part. This is the part everybody wants to know because they like hearing about the benefits in the cars. They're like, well, hang on, let me make sure I can actually join first. So who can join is either any current or retired employee from one of the many businesses and organizations Alliant partners with in the U.S., any immediate family member or domestic partner of a current Alliant member. If you live or work in one of the communities near the corporate headquarters in Chicago, so if you're in the Chicago area, if you live like in Schaumburg or something like that, you'll probably be okay. If you're a member of a qualifying organization, and this part right here, the last part, or become a member of Foster Care to Success, FC2S, to become eligible for Alliant membership. Alliant will pay a $5 membership fee to FC2S on your behalf. That's how you can do it. Because lots of these credit unions are always like regional. And some of them you do have to live in the region. Like there's no way around it. But some of them, something like this, you join a certain membership or a nonprofit, or you donate to something, $5, $10, then you're in. So this is what it is with Alliant, how you can get into there. And the last part, go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet, because there's a whole lot more stuff to talk about. I appreciate you guys hanging with me for part of your day today and being so awesome. I really do. You guys are great at helping each other out in the comment section down below, so I really appreciate you guys doing that and helping each other. So thanks for watching. Thanks for checking out this video. And until next time, keep growing your money.